Hey guys, how's it going? This is Darth Insomnus, and welcome back to some more Persona 4 Golden. So, last episode, we increased some of our social links, and we made some progress in here. And I think we're getting pretty close to saving Yukiko, so let's see if we do. There's a shadow right there. I'm gonna go for it. Fuck you!
Two
Kings.
enemy shadows! You get to go first!
Let me switch to Ouroboros, I think it is. Is that the one? God, it wasn't the right one. Fuck. Let's just hit him hard then.
Two enemies! Charge through them!
Oh, it was him. Okay. That's a miss. Okay, we're gonna have to crack some skulls. I need to silence at least one of them so they can't summon. And then we'll just keep blacking on the one that isn't silenced. Oh wow, so we're just going in it. Alrighty. Let's do it. Beat the ever living shit out of these guys.
That was cool, Yosuke!
Haha, suck my dick. SMD. Go, Chie, go!
Quite beat it.
Oh, that's fine, baby girl.
It got back up! Hurry and beat it!
At least it's not summoning, so that's good news.
Counting on you. Someone else's turn.
We're just gonna hysterical slap it.
Good work, Sensei! That's one so far!
And we'll skull crack the fuck out of this gentleman. Uh-oh.
Give up, Yosuke!
Oh, that bitch. It's like, I give up. Okay, we're gonna go this, then you. Change to Arcana. Oh, well, I guess I could still do it. I won't get the chest key. But I did get a new persona out of it, so that's something at least. Alrighty. We'll get rid of slime again. Because I think Pixie will still be useful. Alrighty. Treasure Hoy. No, it's a shadow. Oh, this is easy money though.
Two enemies! Beat them up!
Have I tried wind on these? I don't think I've tried wind on these beetles. I want to see if it does anything.
Some thick skin! Two enemies left!
Have I tried fire yet? Okay, now this is where Chie shines.
It's down! Good move, Chie-chan!
He could say yes.
You hit its weakness!
Okay.
Beat their asses.
That was cool, Yosuke!
Ah. Don't stand a chance against me, beetle. Now die. Okay, so. So I get to keep all that I got without sacrificing anything. Temper, strength, hermit. But yeah, this is a chariot, so I'm gonna need to hermit, pixie. gonna go with, because I need the chariot because this is for Chie, so I'm gonna go with. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with you for now. Nice. And the life's done. Alright, so it seems like so far everybody's doing good so far, which is awesome. And so that's where we came through. And now it's a golden hand. Come here, you little bitch.
A rare monster! Beat the stuffing out of it!
Fuck. One thing I forgot to do, I could have switched back to Inazagi, and that could have done some more. Just gonna pound them.
That's some thick skin. 3 enemies left!
Beat the ever-living shit out of these golden hands. Just might as well beat the stuffing out of them while I can. Oh, critical.
Okay, 1 enemy down! Persona! That's some thick skin.
Have I analyzed these guys?
You can win this! Do your best!
So I don't think I've done fire yet though, which sucks. Because I could have seen if that done anything. I'm gonna increase my Chie's own attack because then she can skull bash the fuck out of these guys. Yeah, I might as well just keep going at the one that's down.
Damn, it's not going down.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cleave. I'm just gonna keep going. I just hope I could get something out of these guys, though.
Couldn't quite beat it.
It seems like they're gonna stay around for a minute.
It got back up! Hurry and beat it!
Okay, so skill. I'm gonna see if I can kill this. I got one.
Did an enemy.
Damn.
2 enemies left!
Let me try fire, because that's the one thing I haven't tried yet on these motherfuckers. Of course it was this. Again, might as well. It looks like the only way these are gonna die is if I just keep whacking them hard. Oh shit.
Up, Yosuke! Damn it! Who do they think they are?
Yeah, I agree. Use the value medicine here.
Just 1 enemy left!
Now I can hysterically slap the shit out of this glove. I'm gonna increase my own attack since I got Skull Basher. But this guy's probably gonna run away. Oh no? Alright. Yeah, it seems like the only thing that's gonna work is just the physical, so let's do it.
Someone else's turn.
Yeah, I love seeing these Gold Glove guys because I know I'm gonna get some good stuff out of it. But if like they retreat and I don't kill them, then that's just a waste of time. Yep, it escaped. But at least I got one of them, so I'll get some big money bonus. So I got a chest key. Luck. I don't want to get rid of slime. Yeah, I'm just gonna discard the slime.
Alright, I leveled up.
It just sucks that it's like I got the golden glove, but I chose the thing that gave me less money. But I wanted to have the clean sweep. I'd much rather have that so I get chances of getting something really good later. Oh, hey, cool. That's exactly what I needed. Gentleman's tux. Actually, how better is that compared to chainmail for my character? Yeah, chainmail is still pretty good. Yeah, or gentleman's tux is the same, except it just keeps mine down by 1. I don't want to do that. What about GA? Yeah, I thought so. Just give her the gentleman's tux, that would be hilarious. But yeah, so that's not gonna work, so we're gonna go through here. Oh. Fuck. Oh, we have to go through there too. Before I do that though, I'm gonna make sure everybody's healed. And then, do I have anything to give these guys? Yeah, I want to save that for a really important emergency. Let's give it to Chie since we need her to have her ice attacks.
I smell 3 enemies. You can win this. Do your best.
We could try it here.
3 enemies left.
Let's try fire since that's the one thing we haven't tried yet. Oh, blocks fire.
Don't
We might
use
be in
fire
trouble.
attacks. Stay cool.
We're just gonna block for now. Oh yeah, huh? Oh, this is bad. Well, at least I resisted it, damn.
Counting on you. Persona.
Alright, we're gonna just heal myself up. And then we'll do... Turn the volume down a little bit on my headphones, so... Let's switch personas. And I'm gonna give myself... Actually, let's decrease the defense of one of them. And then we'll increase... Oh, there we go. And then we'll do this. That way I'm already to go for the next attack.
GA jumps down. This isn't good.
Damn.
Yosuke, 1 enemy down.
Okay, well that worked in my favor somehow. Might as well get the guy that's down.
No one stands in Sensei's way.
I let my guard down.
Yosuke's completely blown his stack.
Come on!
And then I'll increase my attack.
Are you okay, Sensei? Someone heal him.
On it.
Counting on you. Persona. 2 enemies left. Oh, Sensei! You knocked it down.
She has some health to spare. I'm just gonna do this.
Hey, it's tough.
Ooh, panicked.
It got back up. Hurry and beat it.
I'm just gonna attack this.
Yosuke pounded an enemy.
I'm gonna guard for the other 2, just in case. Good thing I did that. Yosuke has the SP. I need to have him heal people whenever I can.
Just 1 enemy left.
Come on! Take this!
And now now she's completely at SP, and that's kind of a problem.
Throw down. That's some thick skin.
At least I got a critical hit. That's good, at least. Alright. Yeah, it sucks that I lost the Persona, but I keep getting sweet bonuses, which is good.
Amazing, Sensei.
Alrighty. Now I can make Personas up to level 13. Yosuke's doing good. Yeah, I don't remember though the other Personas being like this hard when it came to SP stuff, so... Because I remember I could beat dungeons in 5 on the first go. So I guess maybe it is just a little bit trickier on Persona 4 Golden. Because I remember playing through the other ones and I did... Uh-oh. Not gone at all. Need to wait for it to fuck off. Yes. Okay, suppressor. I really don't want to use it, but I'm gonna have to. Because I need her ice moves. You know? Yeah, I'm gonna have to use the medicines now whenever I can. Like if I can help it. Huh? This smell is... It must be her. She's right behind this door. Through the door? Fuck yeah. Okay, so this is it. We made it to the end of this dungeon.
Yukiko!
I knew it. There's 2 of her.
Oh? Ooh, what's this?
What's up, Fucklechuck?
3 princes are here to see me. My, my. Are you the surprise guests who came in late? Oh, I wish I'd gotten a better look at you. My, it's getting crowded here. Why don't you and I go somewhere else? A land far, far away where no one knows me. If you're my prince, you'd take me there, won't you? Come on, pretty please?
Oh, is this scoring a hot stud?
Not the time, Teddy.
3 princes? Wait, does that include me too?
Duh. The 3rd one's gotta be me. I seriously doubt that.
Thank you,
Yay.
Yosuke.
Yes, she's my prince. She always leads the way. She is a strong prince, or at least she was.
Was?
When it comes down to it, Chie's just not good enough.
Damn.
She can't take me away from here. She can't save me.
Yukiko! Stop.
Historic inn? Manager training? I'm sick of all these things chaining me down. I never asked to be born here. Everything's decided for me, from how I live to where I die. I'm so sick of it. To hell with it all.
That's not true.
I just want to go somewhere far away. Anywhere but here. Someone please take me away. I can't leave here on my own. I'm completely useless.
Damn.
Stop. Please stop. I have no hope if I stay, and no courage to leave. So I sit on my ass, hoping that someday my prince will come. I don't care where we go. Anywhere's fine. As long as it's not here, I don't give a damn. Historical tradition, pride of the town. What a bunch of bullshit. How dare you? That's how I really feel. Isn't that right, me? No.
Isn't that right, Leon?
Stop! Don't say it!
Yeah, you're gonna say 3 magic words.
No! You're not me! This feels wonderful. It's building. More and more. If this keeps up, I'll...
Yukiko!
We have to stop it! That girl's in danger! We know!
It's all right, Yukiko. Just hang in there. We'll save you.
Alright, let's see if... Because the last time I played this game, the first time I played it, I couldn't beat her on the first go.
The true self. Now, my prince, why don't we dance and make merry together?
Hang in there, Yukiko. I'm right here for you.
Oh, really? Then I'll make sure to give you plenty to deal with.
Alright. So actually, first of all, I'm gonna put this up immediately. So I'm just gonna buff the shit out of myself whenever I can. Give this to him. And then Chie. We're gonna increase the attack of him. Haha, fuck you. And then, actually, what I'm gonna do with this skill... I don't have a whole lot of SP, though. Let's just do this. Okay, let me try... Okay, so ice is the weakness. So that's really good that I gave Chie that SP recover. So I think Yosuke has enough stuff where it's like, if he needs to heal my character, he can. So I'm just gonna rely on just attacks or HP stuff, and then Chie is gonna be the one that uses her SP.
What? Are you trying to make me mad?
I'm trying to beat your ass. Okay. So we're just gonna keep doing this. Okay, yeah, so next turn I gotta use another of those diamond shields. So for now we're just gonna keep bashing. And if I do use this, will that mean it'll break it? No.
We're not done yet. Show me this strength of yours. Come, my prince.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna put up the diamond shield again. For as long as I have these, I gotta use them for this boss battle. And then... we're gonna go for Chie on this one, since we need her to stay alive the most. Do I have anything else I can use right now? Yeah, no, that's it. So we're gonna use... Wait, is it me? Interesting. Defense down. Yosuke, you're gonna use Dia on him. And then Chie, you're gonna use this on yourself. Okay. So far, so good, I think. I think I got a good strat going. Good. Alright, I'm gonna need Yosuke to heal me this turn. Yeah, so our defenses are gonna be shit next turn. So that's what I'm kind of worried about. Alright. Work your magic.
Understand? You won't lift a finger for me. My prince. My dear prince.
The prince will longer appear.
Why won't he come?
No one's coming.
Damn.
Now's your chance to attack.
Yep, I agree. Yosuke bashed the ever-living shit out of this fucking lady. Alright, Chie, this is your kill. You got this, baby girl. You got this in the bag. Do it. Yep, do it. Beat that fur bitch's ass. Oh.
Looks like I had the wrong idea. You're no princes. Die, you worthless commoners!
You're the one to talk, you fucking peasant.
It's cornered. You're nearly there.
Yeah, but the problem is I have little to no SP. And I can't even... Wait, no, I can.
Sorry.
Good. This is good. Alright, Chie, come on. You got this, girl. I believe in you. Oh, she's almost down.
Chie-chan's down.
Uh-oh.
This isn't good.
That's not how it...
Okay, well, I'm gonna have to heal.
Up we go.
Okay, Yosuke. You know what, just in case,
Counting on you.
if this next attack doesn't work, I just want to make sure she's healed up. Okay, Chie, go. Stop infecting my friend with fucking shit, please.
Thanks.
Alright, you know what, fuck it. I wanted Chie to get the last attack, but I didn't want to risk it at all. Alrighty. Oh yeah, girly. Congrats. I can't believe I beat her on the first try, though. Because I guess, like, first game, like I played it for the first time, and it's like I didn't know everything, but I'm just happy I beat it for the first time,
Yukiko!
or at least the first go on this one.
Yukiko, are you hurt?
No, I'm not. We understand. You're not the only one like that, Yukiko-san. Everyone has something they can't show to other people, or don't want to admit to themselves.
Yukiko, I'm sorry. I was so self-centered that I never understood what you were going through. I'm your friend, and I'm so sorry.
Yeah, again, voice acting. Like, these guys put in 110%.
Chie, I was always jealous of you, Yukiko. You had everything that I didn't. That jealousy was like a wall, and I was so lonely. I wanted you to need me. But it was me who needed you. I can't do anything right on my own. I've caused so much trouble for Yosuke and the others. If you weren't by my side, I wouldn't know what to do.
Chie, I never saw the real you either. I was too busy trying to find an easy way out. I want to run away. I want someone to save me. You're right. Those feelings are part of me too. I understand now. You're me.
Strength of heart required to face oneself has been made manifest. Yukiko has faced her other self. She has attained the facade used to overcome life's hardships, the persona of Konohara Sakuya. And she's done.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm just a little tired. You all came to rescue me.
Of course!
Thank you.
Don't even mention it. I'm just so glad you're safe.
Right on.
So, who threw you in here?
Huh? Who are you? Rather, what are you?
I'm Teddy. So who threw you in?
Right to the point, I guess.
I don't know. I think someone called my name, but my memory's a blur. I can't remember who it was. I'm sorry, Teddy?
I was gonna say, Teddy, come on, dude. Like, the girl is, like, not in the right mind. You should ask her when she's better.
No new clues.
Not necessarily. Now we know for sure that someone threw Yukiko-san in here.
Then it really isn't you guys.
Of course not.
Just joking.
You're one lying sack of honey.
Anyways, let's hurry back home. Yukiko looks exhausted. Thanks again, Teddy.
Wait, you're leaving me here?
Leaving you? What are you talking about? You live here.
Well, yeah, but...
I'm sorry, Teddy. I promise to come again. So be a good boy and wait here until then.
Oh, my, it's getting crowded here. Why
Oh
don't you
my
and I
god,
go
Teddy, read the
somewhere
fucking
else?
room, bro.
Come on, pretty.
Ah, you're giving me the creeps.
Yukiko, are you alright? You're not hurt anywhere, are you?
No, I'm just a little tired.
How did you get in here?
I'm sorry, but I don't remember anything.
Well, no worries. You're safe, and that's more than enough.
But there's no mistake that Yukiko-san was, attacked the same way as the last two victims. And I think the one we saw on the Midnight Channel wasn't the real Yukiko-san, but her shadow. Maybe the things Yukiko-san was suppressing in this world took form in the TV.
You know, Teddy was saying something like that.
It's no use. I'm just going round and round in circles. What kind of person could be doing this?
Let's give it some thought. should take some time to consider the situation.
Wait, can't we talk more about this some other time? Yukiko really needs to get some rest. I'll take her home.
Oh, that's right. Sorry. Yukiko-san must be exhausted. We'll talk about all this some more once she gets her strength back.
You were able to rescue Yukiko safely, but this case's mystery has deepened even further. For now, you should wait for Yukiko to recover.
He's home! Hello?
Hi there. We got off work at the same time, so I'm giving him a ride back to his place. I thought we might as well swing by.
Nice to meet you. I'm Adachi, the guy who's been your dad's slave since spring.
I can still work you harder, you know.
A good one, sir. Oh, I almost forgot. You're friends with Yukiko Amagi, right? They found her safe and sound. Tell all your friends at school.
That's brilliant.
Yeah, for us on the force too. But this doesn't mean the case is closed, though. We were just questioning Miss Amagi. But she says she doesn't remember anything that happened while she was missing. And we can't figure out her whereabouts during the missing period either. It's like she really disappeared. It's all pretty fishy if you ask me. Like there's something else going on. Ow!
Stop blabbering, dumbass.
Sorry.
Ignore him. He's just spouting some wild fantasy. Yeah, don't give it a second thought. Sheesh. He's a real pain sometimes.
I'm hungry.
You're right. My stomach's growling too.
So you do have a softer side around Nanako-chan.
Shut up and sit down. And wash those hands first. I should do the same.
Dinner promises to be lively for once. Save the progress. We'll do this here. You overhear students talking. Hey, did you hear? There are some part-time job listings in the town bulletin board now. I wish there was one that would let me make some quick cash. I don't think you have the diligence to handle a job that takes a lot of time. That's so mean. Maybe I don't. But I bet I'll be more diligent if I get a job. I bet you wouldn't do too well with a job where you have to work with others because you lack understanding, huh? I don't need to work since I'm focusing on my studies. If my grades are good, I might be able to swing a raise in my allowance. That's cheating. I wish I was born into a rich family so I didn't need a part-time job. Or if I knew someone nice enough to buy me anything I wanted. I don't think that would have been so great. There's someone like that at our school too. Huh? Oh, her. I think I remember who she is. Well then, I'll begin my lecture on the Age of Discovery, which occurred between the 15th and 17th centuries. Many types of vegetation were introduced to Europe during this era. Among them, tulips from Turkey deserve special attention. Gardening for pleasure was becoming popular, causing the price of tulip bulbs to rise. It was the world's first economic bubble incident, tulip mania. Along the South Sea Bubble in the Mississippi Company, it is said to be one of the biggest bubbles in European history. Hey, Mr. Hanamura, wake up. What's the first economic bubble incident in the world? What? I'll help you. What's this economic bubble she was talking about? This is a tulip bulb, right? So you were actually listening. Yeah, this is the tulip mania. Tulip bulbs imported into Holland became extremely popular. Prices jumped dramatically as a result. At its highest, a single bulb was worth the price of a luxurious house. However, once the bubble burst, prices fell once again, and the trade cities in Holland were thrown into confusion. Mr. Hanamura, you take care to not let that snot bubble of yours burst, or you may also be thrown into confusion. Don't make it snot bubbles. Anyway, I was right, wasn't I? Yeah, thanks you. Yeah, you have to stay away for the next one. Yosuke appreciates you. I feel like you become closer to Yosuke. Your expression is increased. Hell yeah. Alrighty. So check on jobs. And I think this is where we're going to end the episode because we pretty much done everything we needed to for the moment. Like, we saved Yukiko, and now we just have to wait for her to recover. So when you beat a palace, like, before the time expires, you just have a bunch of free time on your hands. So maybe we'll look into getting a job and stuff like that. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Have a rest of a good day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.